What's up, guys? So in today's video we're going to be having a look at Bitcoin, of course, and we're going to be having a look at my top 3 undervalued altcoins, which I think will explode in the next bull market. So right now we are currently in a bear market. Nothing too crazy to see over here. Bitcoin had this nice blow up top right here at 70,000. Ever since we've been coming down and consolidating, had this nice, we're in this pretty nice ascending channel or bear flag. And I'm gonna have a look at the triangle in just a minute. But the top 3 coins that I do want to have a look at, undervalued in my opinion, starting off with Kadena, guys. Then we're gonna go off and talk about Veracity, and then Seller Network and how much should you accumulate, how much can you make money from this, which coin has the highest chance to multiply or to times that itself over and over, and that's about it. So guys, my number 1 altcoin and probably the safest one that I will be accumulating and keep on buying is probably Kadena. I mean, this is a top 100 coin already. There's no question about that. We have over 250,000 people on the watch list, which is fantastic, and it's right under $1 billion market cap. Now Kadena, we know this peaked at 30 bucks. This is a safe investment. I really like this investment. Volume to market cap ratio is 10%. We are up currently 4% in the past 24 hours. Now, what's great about Kadena, I mean, besides the fact that it's proof of work and whatnot, we know that this is probably the second best after Bitcoin proof of work coin out there. Currently listed on Gate, KuCoin, Binance, so we got good exchanges right there, top ones, tier 1 exchanges. They have KDEX coming out. Now, for those of you guys who don't know what what KDEX is it's essentially the DEX of Kadena. So we have Uniswap, we have PancakeSwap for Binance, Uniswap for Ethereum. KDEX is going to be essentially for Kadena, and that's going to be very, very bullish. And in my opinion, that's going to drive the price very, very high in the near future. It's going to be huge. Kadena is by far going to be, one of the best projects out there. It's easily, in my opinion, not financial advice, is going to be a top 20 coin in the future, next 2-3 years. No question about that. I'm going to be accumulating as many Kadenas as I can, even if it goes down to $2. My second coin that I want to have a look at, guys, is Veracity, VRA. And the reason why this coin is one of my favorites is, first of all, I love the technology. I love how they're going to prevent click ad fraud. It's going to be very, very big. In my opinion, very, very undervalued. Why is it undervalued? I mean, this thing is at 100 million market cap. Okay, so if this goes to the Kadena market cap, this is a 10x gain. Now Kadena can still 30x from here. Okay, 30x would be 30 billion market cap. Veracity can even 50x from here. That would be an insane market cap in my opinion. 50x would be a thing of beauty. Very, very possible. For those of you guys who don't know how to calculate market cap, it's essentially the price times the circulating supply. So if VRA actually goes to $1, the market cap would be $4.47 billion, and that's about it. We got 358,000 people on the watch list, ranked 401. So this is not even a top 100. In my opinion, Veracity will be and is going to be in the top 100. Great exchanges. We got Gate, KuCoin, Huobi, guys. That is fantastic news. The second this coin gets launched on Binance, it's going to be massive in my opinion. Traded at 0.021 cents only. We peaked at 8 cents. It's going to be massive. Guys, Veracity is definitely going to be a future coin. Not financial advice once again. Always do your own research and due diligence. But in my opinion, really going to fly to the moon. Last but not least, guys, we got Seller Network. I mean, this is a decent market cap coin, $363 million, under currently at 5 cents, 5.3 cents right here. We got 110,000 people on the watch list. Now, why is this good? Well, this can really replicate what Matic Network did. Now, am I saying that this can go to $3, $4? Maybe not, but this can definitely go to 80 cents to $1 in my opinion. Market cap is still very, very low. Layer 2 protocol, C-Bridge. They have a very fantastic. I really love their project. So if you guys really missed on Matic Network, then Seller would essentially be your go-to investment. If you guys missed on Matic, if you guys like Layer 2, C-Bridge and whatnot, this could be for you. Of course, you could go here and understand what is Matic Network, more about it. Very, very interesting. Let's have a look where it's traded. So we're currently being traded on Binance, Gate, and we're not trading on KuCoin. I thought we traded on KuCoin, but we're not. But we have a few other exchanges right here that are not so crazy. But the main ones that we want to have a look at, OKETs, by the way, is a pretty big one as well. We got Binance, Gate, which is they're both top 10 exchanges, OKETs as well. We got Crypto.com exchange as well. And that's about it. So these are my 3 coins that I will be definitely accumulating in. So guys, having a look at a Bitcoin technical analysis real quick. This is very short here that I want to have a look at. Bitcoin is currently right now still in this symmetrical triangle that we're seeing. Okay, so we had this nice little fake out right here on the 21st of March. We kept going up on the 20th of March on the weekly, and then the April 4th, of course, we had a nice crazy dump. That was the dump that we had on the 4th, on the weekly of the 4th. And that's about it. Then we came back down. We had this nice little fake out all the way up to $38,000. Nothing happened. Had a nice little fake out. Now we're back inside this beautiful triangle. So that's that on Bitcoin. Nothing too crazy to see over here. But something that I do want to have a look at is these exponential moving average. Now we know the EMA ribbon are pretty strong on the weekly time frame. If I actually go back until since this date right here, on the 16th of March, ever since we broke out of the EMA ribbon, we started this nice little bull run, and we were above it ever since. Now the interesting thing that's happening right here is that we actually came all the way back up to 42,000, got rejected exactly at the 42,000 level, which is the 55 exponential moving average. And now if we have a look on the daily time frame, we have a nice little ugly wick happening right here, which is exactly the EMA ribbon on the daily time frame as well. So not only did we get rejected on the weekly, we also got rejected on the daily. So we're gonna have to keep an eye very closely on what happened over here, and if we're gonna essentially come back up. Now another thing that we did see is this double bottom happening right here on Bitcoin, and we know that double bottoms are bullish. We came back, broke above the neckline. Is it possible that we come back and retest the neckline? That's very possible. We know that every time we have a breakout, we usually come back and retest the neckline. So it's going to be very important to see if we can essentially break out of this or not, and if we're going to come back below the neckline or not. This is all on Bitcoin, Kadena, Veracity, Seller Network. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.